let's get started with step one, our thrillers. Again, our Eon roses. So I'm going to pick a spot on the bottom, and notice I'm holding the green stem extender, and I'm going to insert the rose at a 45-degree angle, like so. Make sure it's really in there. Go ahead and do it for the other roses. Okay, there you go. Step one is done. Step two is our spillers, our hydrangea. Today I'm going to be using green and champagne colored hydrangea. So I'm going to be alternating between them. Let's pick a spot. Again, you're going to pick, notice the sturdy bottom of stem, and then again, just insert it like so. Again, at a 45-degree angle. And you're just going to build around the flowers. And voila, this is what I have so far. And again, you can hang it up against a wall, or you can just lay it on the table. Up to you. Thanks for joining us.